Hey guys, I just want to show you today this special tool. This tool has been designed to get into narrow spaces. It can literally be used in a multitude of environments, aircraft engine inspection, automotive repair and maintenance, which will be very handy. I will shortly test it against some cylinders to see the interior of the cylinders, pipe work, building structure inspection, marine engineering. All in all, is a very good tool to have if you need to get into narrow spaces and perform some inspections to get some views. The cable length is 1.6 meter, which is impressive. Let's see what you will get in the box. This is the type, the brand, and this is the type KBA02. Let's see how the tool looks like. This is what you'll get. You'll get a specially designed case where the tool is. Let's open it and see what's inside. As you can probably see, you get everything. You get the instructions, the user manual, how to use it and all that stuff. You literally get some bits to clean the screen in case it gets dirty. Let's try and fire up the tool. As you can see, it's pretty much easy to use. It's not rocket science. It comes with all sorts of attachments. With the charger also, you'll get the charger, Type-C charger. Let's see how the screen looks like. Let's fire it up, see what we can get. The head is covered with some sort of protection, just so you're not going to damage the lens. Is just so impressive. The quality of the image, I don't know if you can see, the quality of the image is so good, such a good resolution. I'm telling you guys, this tool really worth the money. So this is it, the unboxing bit. As you can see, there's a torch, and you can literally spin it around, twist it around. It'll go everywhere. The head is designed to go in every tiny place to run an inspection. Right, this is what you're gonna get in the box, and let's see how this tool will work on a real test on a car. Or I will test this tool against a cylinder and against some car components to see how it performs. So once again guys, this is the brand. You'll shortly find the link in the video description, and also of explanation of what you can do with this powerful tool.